Good morning, all my lovely students of class 4. I, Nita Kumari, your science teacher, very happy that you all are doing your work very sincerely. Well done and keep it up. We have studied up to chapter 3, that is flowers and fruits. Today I am going to start chapter 4, that is plants around us. Student, we see plants growing at different places such as plains, deserts, hills and even in water. Plants growing at different places are different in appearance and structure. Let us find out how plants found at different places differ from one another. Students, at first we divide plants into two groups. First is terrestrial plants and second is aquatic plants. Now come to the first, terrestrial plants. What is terrestrial plants? Plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. What are the different types of terrestrial plants? The different types of terrestrial plants are plants of hills, plants of plains, plants of hot and wet regions, plants of marshy area and plants of desert area. Now come to the plants of hills. Pine, deodar, cedar, spruce and fir are some of the plants which grow on hills. These plants are tall and straight and generally have a conical shape. These tall, straight and green conical trees make hills appear green and beautiful. Their leaves are narrow and needle shaped. Why do you know why their leaves are narrow and needle shaped? Their leaves are narrow and needle shaped because the conical shape of these trees does not allow snow to get deposited on them. Now come to the next, plants of plains. Peepal, banyan, mango, sal, sesame are some of the plants found in plains. They grow into trees having many branches. They shed their leaves in particular seasons. Next is plants of hot and wet regions. Trees like teak, rubber and coconut are found in hot and wet regions. These generally have a large number of leaves. They shed their leaves gradually, hence they are called evergreen trees. Plants like pepper, cotton, rice and banana also grow in hot and wet regions. Next is plants of marshy area. Do you know which type of plants grow in marshy area? Only mangroves grow in marshy area. These plants develop special roots for breathing as their main underground roots do not get sufficient oxygen from the soil. So some portion of the roots come out of the soil above the water level and take oxygen from air. These roots are called breathing roots. They are also called aerial roots. Do you know what is marsh? Marsh is a very wet, muddy area on land. Next is plants of desert areas. Which type of plants grow in desert area? Do you know? Cactus grow in desert. It can survive in soil that has very little water. It has a green stem and well developed roots. The stem stores water. Therefore, it is soft and fleshy. Cactus plants has spines instead of leaves. These spines reduce the evaporation of water. So, students, that's all for today. I am going to give you classwork to do now. You have to do classwork. See this page and give me. And next is homework is given here. You see the homework and do it at home. See this page. That's all for today. Keep practicing Thank you. Have a nice day.